5-star cleaning tips for Airbnb hosts. On this journey, we will uncover the secrets to crafting exceptional lodging experiences within Airbnb properties. Let's begin with efficient planning. Before delving into the cleaning process, organize your strategy. Divide the space into sections and establish a schedule. This not only maximizes your time, but ensures that each corner receives the attention it deserves. Now, let's talk about the choice of cleaning products. Opt for those that are not only effective, but also environmentally friendly. The fresh and clean aroma will not only delight your guests, but also leave a lasting impression. In the pursuit of perfection, the small details make all the difference. Pay attention to often overlooked areas such as light switches, door handles, and remote controls. These finishing touches will transform your accommodation from extraordinary to unforgettable. Impeccable textiles. Ensure that sheets, towels, and other textiles are flawless, providing an unmatched rest experience. Regular inspections. Conduct periodic inspections to address any cleaning issues promptly and maintain consistency in quality. These tips will not only elevate your cleanliness standards, but also contribute to an exceptional experience for your guests. Here is your guide to achieving success in every stay.